When people hear the word Tesla, they immediately think of futuristic electric cars. But what if I told you that the company's most overlooked division might also be its most powerful growth engine in the coming decade? Yes, we're talking about Tesla Energy, a part of the business that many retail investors ignore, yet insiders and analysts are now calling a potential billion-dollar disruptor in the global energy space. In this video, we'll explore how Tesla's energy division works, why it matters, how it's scaling globally, and why it could make Tesla stock an even stronger long-term investment beyond electric vehicles. Let's start with what Tesla Energy actually is. The division includes several major product lines: the Powerwall, the Powerpack, the Megapack, and the solar roof system. Each of these products is designed to either generate, store, or distribute renewable energy, primarily solar. Tesla's approach is different from traditional energy companies because it's based on vertical integration, combining hardware, software, and real-time AI decision-making into one seamless energy solution. That means Tesla controls everything: the solar panels, the battery storage, the installation, and even the smart energy management software. Now, why is this important in 2025? Because the world is in a full-scale clean energy transition. Countries across the globe are phasing out coal, reducing fossil fuel subsidies, and aggressively pursuing renewable energy goals. But renewable energy has one big challenge: it's intermittent. Solar and wind generate power 24/7, which creates gaps and instability in the power grid. That's where Tesla comes in. With products like the Megapack and Powerwall, Tesla enables both homes and entire cities to store excess solar power and use it later, creating a cleaner, more reliable energy flow. In 2025, Tesla's Megapacks are in massive demand. In fact, the order backlog is now over 18 to 24 months long as governments and private energy companies rush to install Tesla's battery systems in places like California, Texas, Australia, and the UK. For example, in South Australia, Tesla built one of the world's largest lithium-ion battery storage facilities. Since installation, that project has already saved millions of dollars in blackout prevention and energy stabilization. In California, Tesla has partnered with PG&E to expand virtual power plant capabilities, where thousands of Powerwall owners contribute electricity to the grid during peak hours. Financially, Tesla Energy is maturing rapidly. While most of the company's revenue still comes from vehicle sales, Tesla's energy division is now generating billions annually, with consistent quarter-over-quarter growth. In early 2025, Tesla Energy even outperformed its automotive margins for the first time. That's right, the energy business was more profitable per dollar than the car business. This shocked analysts as it showed that Tesla isn't just an EV leader, but a true energy company in disguise. Elon Musk himself has said many times that Tesla Energy could eventually rival the vehicle division in size, and he's not alone in that belief. Its investment firms like ARK Invest and Morgan Stanley have released projections showing Tesla Energy contributing 30 to 50% of total company earnings by 2030. If that happens, the fair value of TSLA stock could be significantly undervalued today, because the market hasn't priced in the full potential of this segment. Let's now talk about the software side of Tesla Energy, something few people understand, but which gives Tesla a serious advantage. Tesla's AI-powered energy management system analyzes energy usage patterns, weather forecasts, and grid conditions to automatically optimize when to charge, discharge, or sell electricity. This smart grid solution makes homes more energy efficient, reduces electricity bills, and improves overall grid health. The more Powerwalls and Megapacks Tesla deploys, the more data it collects, and the smarter its system becomes. This is a network effect, just like in tech, and it gives Tesla long-term dominance in the decentralized energy market. And what about global expansion? In 2025, Tesla is expanding its energy footprint across high-growth, high-need markets like India, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where traditional electric grids are unreliable or non-existent. In these areas, solar plus battery microgrids are not just a luxury, they're a necessity. Tesla's ability to offer a fully off-grid solution, from energy capture to storage to usage, makes it extremely attractive for governments. schools, hospitals, and rural communities. With a single Megapack, an entire village can run on renewable power 24/7. Compare this to traditional energy providers, which are often slow and dependent on fossil fuels. And it becomes clear why Tesla is uniquely positioned to lead the next energy revolution. While most analysts and retail investors are distracted by EV competitors like BYD or Lucid, Tesla is building a second empire in energy, one battery at a time. So what does all of this mean for you as an investor? It means that if you're only looking at Tesla as a car company, you're missing half the story. The real alpha, the real upside, might be coming from the division nobody is talking about yet: Tesla Energy. As energy prices rise, grid instability grows, and clean energy becomes a global necessity. Tesla's early moves in this space could translate into trillions of dollars in global opportunity. And Tesla is already years ahead of its competitors. In conclusion, Tesla Energy is no longer an experiment. It's a strategic growth machine with real products, real profits, and real global impact. Whether you're a short-term trader or a long-term investor, understanding Tesla Energy could be the key to seeing where TSLA is truly heading over the next decade. If this video gave you a new perspective on Tesla's future, hit that like button, subscribe. Let us know in the comments. Were you aware Tesla's energy business was this big? Would you invest more based on this growth?